All right, so here we are taking a look at a honeycomb PowerView internal rechargeable battery. And what I've got here is I've got the button not accessible from the front of the shade. The button's in there, I can kind of see it, but I can't activate it from the front of the shade. So what we're gonna do is undo the end cap lock here at the top of the headrail and end cap interface there, and we're going to go ahead and slide our headrail back. We want to slide the headrail back and not pull the end cap off of our button. We're going to go ahead and turn this around here and take a look at what I see from the end of the shade. And if I look, there's a grommet here that needs to engage with the end cap, but the end cap is not engaged on the grommet. We'll zoom in there. The grommet here is separate from the end cap. If you're looking at the shade before you take it apart, you want to see if that is or is not engaged at the end cap point there. We're looking at the interface between the grommet and the feature of the end cap that engages the grommet. There's an end cap interface with that grommet on the end of the motor. This is all as it should be. The wire's in the right spot. Everything else is good in that location. And what we're going to do is we've slid the headrail back. We're going to just go ahead and take the end cap and pull it off. And yeah, you can see where the grommet is. This is the grommet here on the end of the motor housing here. It needs to insert into this feature here on the end cap that goes into, that holds this all in place, but it slides on and pops in there. So what we're going to do is just do that. We're going to pop it onto that location, and in doing so, well, we've activated the button, but the button is now clearly out the front of the shade. You can see it, it's lit up there. I can activate that button, and we want the button to the front of the shade. We're engaged with the grommet. We slide the headrail back into place and re-engage the end cap lock at the end of the headrail. And so I'll go ahead and lock the end cap lock back into place, and look at what we've got. We've got access to our control button for an internal rechargeable battery honeycomb or stacking style vignette shade from Hunter Douglas.